Nvidia was all over the place today and actually closed down. And a lot of people are worried that there's a potential rejection ahead and wondering if they should be closing out their shares. In this video, I'm going to give you my take. I'm going to talk about how I've been trading Nvidia over the past couple of days and how I plan to continue to trade it into the rest of this week and the rest of October. In short, I'm still bullish, but I want to show you some things that would have to happen in order for me to think differently. Now, as far as positions, I had a really good day today. I ended up closing out $35,000 in profits. I did take a loss on Riot, and I did day trade Nvidia a couple of times, as well as QQQ. Now, at this point, I have no open Nvidia positions. The main reason for this is because I have way too many other trades that are currently open. And I will say that our day trading bot did swing a position overnight. You can see it entered here at about 315, and it seems like price wants to continue to carry over to $133.50. If we zoom back out to the daily chart, you're going to notice that we did break structure yesterday's session when we pushed over $130. Now, since we broke through that area, it means that we are also making higher highs now and higher lows. That is a very good sign that structure is going to continue to the upside. Now, with that said, it does not mean that price has to just continue to break out. You'll notice that all of the time, even in a downtrend, price is going to sell off and then bounce, and then sell off and then bounce, and then sell off. And then if it bounces and breaks that old high, well, now we're going to start to make lower highs into higher lows. We can also look at most recent price action after bouncing off of 100, where we make a move up, consolidate for a little bit, make a move up, pull back, make another move up. So worst case, I think that we could see Nvidia pull back down to 128 or 124 to test this support level before making another higher high. This is why when we're trading, we're looking to get in on those pullbacks before that next move to the upside. As of now, we do not have an indication that we're near a top other than we're making higher highs. You'll notice that normally the sign for us to no longer be bullish in the short term is when price makes a lower high on the BX trender. A good example is right here on the 27th of September. Once price made a lower high on the BX trender, it ended up selling off 5% before finding a bottom. Another great example would be back here on the 26th of August, where price found a top, BX trender made lower highs, and then price sold off 20%. So as long as we continue to make higher highs on the BX trender, in the short term, I remain bullish. Once that's no longer the case, then we will watch for a potential pullback. If we zoom out even further to the weekly chart, you're going to notice that the BX trender is now making higher highs instead of higher lows. This is once again a very strong sign that big money is actually buying this breakout. Now, CPI tomorrow is going to be extremely important, and this weekly candle has not closed just yet. I'm not going to give an opinion on CPI tomorrow because I simply don't care and I don't know what the hell is going to happen. But as of right now, all signs are showing that big money is buying into CPI, so I would expect a continued run. And the last thing to look at is the fact that Nvidia did get an Alpha Gold alert today, which is one of the strongest unusual options flow alerts that a stock can get. This means that big money is still buying calls and they remain bullish on Nvidia as well. So I will. I hope this video helped. I'll see you guys tomorrow. If you want to learn more about all of the indicators that you see in this video, as well as the proprietary settings and the step-by-step trading system that I've built, you can take all of our courses completely free with the link in the description.